Hey friends, I want to talk about fruit flies. So I love to cook, and I've just found that having fruit flies in the kitchen is part of loving to cook. So I just processed a whole bunch of pears. They were sitting on my counter, even though they were under a bowl, they attracted fruit flies. So here's how I deal with it. This is my little fruit fly catcher. So you can see all of them on the bottom. There's even some, crawling around in there right now. So the trick is to have a jar, some kind of a container that has a little lip around the edge. So I have, down in the bottom, I have honey, just like a little smidge of honey, and just enough honey, apple cider vinegar to cover the bottom of the jar, a little bit. And then I put the plastic wrap around it with a rubber band around the top. And then I use a pencil to poke some holes in the top, but you can see there's some tape there. I don't know, can you see that? Because I often make the holes too big. And if the holes are too big, then the little teeny tiny fruit flies can fold their wings back and climb right back out. So if you make the holes a little bit too big, just slap a little tape over it. Can't get out, you have your fruit fly catcher. So let me know what you do for fruit flies in your kitchen, or if they're not a problem at all. I would love to know if you're free from fruit flies. And let me know if you try this and it works for you. Happy cooking!